G'day, this is Nicholas. Just wanting to shoot the first devlog for Tetromino Runner. So we'll just jump straight into it. Obviously getting to the end of the first week where the production plan, schedules, Kanban boards, sprints, all of the planning stuff has all been put together. That's all on the production plan report. I just wanted to go through today towards the end of this week, just starting to do a bit of design work for the features that I know are going to be in the first sprint. So essentially this is the start of my process for how I might go about building some new feature in Tetromino. This may look a little scribbly to start off with, but this is the process. So essentially the feature here that I'm working towards is a feature where in Tetromino you might have your player here. They start off on the starting platform, and then in the background of that scene, I'd like to have some tutorialization present that is sensitive to which difficulty level the player is playing on and which control scheme they're using, whether they're using the keyboard or otherwise, or a gamepad or Steam Deck or whatever it might be. So the concept is that in the background, as a world space canvas, I want these three kind of little canvases that can have some information on them, and the information that is on them will change depending on which, if I just move my canvas, which of these difficulties we're on, because we've got beginner, intermediate, and expert, so we need our tutorial content to change depending on what the player's chosen to play. So the core idea is we're going to have some brain class, so that'll be our contextual tutorial content brain. That brain at start time will fetch which difficulty are we on. It will keep custody of three prefabs. Each prefab will represent the content for each difficulty, and it will turn on the correct content. It will then listen into an event that fires on Unity's side when a control input method changes. So the brain will be aware, oh, we've just gone from keyboard to gamepad. We need to now contextually change these hints so that they're hinting at the right icons for gamepad input. And then that'll be it. On the tutorial content side, so tutorial content will be some base class that will have some methods, and then our specific tutorial contents will inherit from that base class, have their icons and bits and pieces, and have access to, in this base class, some methods to for our brain to go, hey, whatever our current active tutorial content is, please turn it off, turn it on, set it to the keyboard config, set it to the controller config, and then these easy content, intermediate content, and expert content will have, as game objects in a list, will have their content blocks and will be able to switch their context depending on what's going on in the game. So that's my scribbly design. That's what I would generally do before I jump into the first block of actually writing some code. I would then block out these classes. So just block this out almost in like a quasi code, and then start filling it in with actual code. Thank you for tuning in. That's what's happening at the end of week 1. Thank you.